All right, we are downtown. Not downtown, but we're down at Stewart Beach. You ready, Obia? Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I guess we're not going to get a good morning. All right, we are heading to the beach. It's pretty cool down here. Got a little shack there where you can get something to eat, get a drink if you need. Decent restrooms and everything so you can change. Plenty of parking, at least for this area. It's not like you're down in Fort Lauderdale or Miami Beach. It's pretty laid back. Go up, straight up. Yeah.
What is it?
I said we'll go straight up this way instead of to the left. Let's go up this way. All right, not too bad. We've been having a lot of storms lately, so I'm not sure how long we're going to be here. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm trying to think. Hold on one second. Let's go to the right, I guess. Hold on, let me pan around. See what it looks like. We got a little bit of storm out there. Good morning, sir. Not too bad. What do you think? Down there to the right? Oh, yeah. How about to the right down there? See where that thing of grass is coming up? Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, this is not Miami Beach. It's a little more laid back up here in Stewart.
I saw the dolphin last time.
All right, Obia's sitting up her little chair. She's got a little beach pad. She's ready to do some yoga or Pilates or beach Pilates, or she might just take a nap. I'm not sure. What do you think, Obia? Are you going to take a nap?
That would be nice.
So we got the clouds coming towards us, or at least looks like it. Hopefully they stay away. We can enjoy this morning a little bit more. As you can see, we got some early birds out here doing a little bit of fishing. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh man, I missed it. It was pretty cool. Lightning strike out there. It looked really nice. Don't want to be in it, but it looked pretty cool. Not a lot of people out here today. All right, we got her exercising. Good job. And stay healthy. To take care of your husband. All right, I'm gonna get my other camera and try it out in the water. See what it looks like right here on the edge of the beach. All right, I got my little action camera out. I'm gonna throw it in the waterproof case and check it out. I don't have a front-facing display on this one, so I'm not sure how accurate this is going to be. We're going to go put this little action camera in the waterproof case and throw it out there in the ocean. I brought some string to tie to it, keep it from going away from me, but we're going to check it out, see what it looks like. Alright, we got OBI still doing a little exercise, staying busy while I'm messing around with the camera too. Look at that beautiful sunrise in Florida. Let's see what OBI is doing. What are you doing, OBI? Oh boy. I think she's got her karaoke going. Alright guys, we are heading out. It's a cool morning. Got some lightning going on to the south, but up here it's pretty cool. Let's see,
Where did we come in? This part or the next one?
No, we're at the right place.
No, where did we? This or the other side? What's this
Oh wow,
one?
look at the rain way out there.
Oh yeah, spotted one. How about it too? Look!
Wow, that's down south. That's like
That's where I saw the lightning. Really lightning.
that's towards West Palm Beach, Jupiter. Wow, there's some heavy storms out there. People doing some metal detecting. You never know, you know, this beaches have been combed by metal detectors to the point where you think, why come out? But you hear on the news about every time they, you know, especially after a hurricane or a big storm, things get washed up that weren't here yesterday. So you never know. And it's a cool little hobby. I got a metal detector. I just need to bring it with me. Might do that next week or week after. We're gonna go up to another beach next weekend. Check that out. All right, till next time, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you. Let's see.
You want to eat here?
No, it's not bad, but
Where are you going?
since we're leaving, we're not going to spend the afternoon. We might as well stop somewhere else.
Why does your ice 101 pounds?